Do you want to lock your PDFs with a password so that only authorized people can open it? Today, I'll show you a completely free online tool that lets you password protect any PDF in under a minute. No software, no app, no sign up required. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type instantconvert.online. This is the same website we've used in previous videos. Hit enter and click on the first result. It will end with .online. Once the site loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top where you can find any tool. Today, we need the Lock PDF tool, so just type Lock PDF in that search bar and click on the result that appears. That's it. Your tool is ready. Now you'll see a simple interface with a Choose File or Select PDF button. Click it and pick the PDF file from your device that you want to protect. After selecting the file, you'll see a password field. Here, enter the password you want to set for your PDF. Make sure you use a strong password, at least 8 characters mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a special symbol. This keeps your document fully secure. If the tool asks you to confirm the password, re-enter it. Then simply click the Lock PDF button. Within seconds, the encryption process will finish and your protected PDF will start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, just click the download button to save it. Now your PDF is password protected. Whenever anyone tries to open it, they'll be prompted to enter the password. Without it, the file is completely inaccessible.